Hi, this is Dr. Kella here at Lakeshore Dental Studio. Today we got a pretty big case that we're super excited to finish up. It's our patient George, and he's been on this journey with us to have his smile makeover done. Today is our final step towards it. It's been a great case, and our patient's been really happy. But like any big case, any big makeover, there's sometimes some hiccups along the way. We were happy with the case, the patient was happy, but myself, and when I show pictures to my lab, we were not like ecstatic. It was not perfect. We thought, talking to my great lab, Gold Dust Lab, that we can get an even better result. That's the kind of commitment we have to our patients here for anything. It can be from a regular cleaning to a full smile makeover. After talking to my lab, they're going to go to the next level to help us. They flew out their ceramist to our office today to make it perfect. That level of commitment with our lab really embodies what we like to give to our patients too. Our patient George is going to be so happy about it, and I'm just just so appreciative to work with a great partner. It really just shows our commitment to our patients to get those great results.
We as a lab always shoot for perfection when we do a case. Our goal is to always, if we need to fly to see our doctors, we'll do that. As a ceramist, I love doing that, just go above and beyond. That's the reason why we're here, to take care of George.
I started my journey with trying to get my smile refixed, and while Dr. Kella had explained to me that there would be certain things that we would have to work through, I wasn't expecting that we were going to have some hiccups towards the end. Dr. Kella went ahead and reached out to them. They've actually sent out a ceramicist with all of the accoutrement for them to be able to actually do it live in one day. And so I'm really happy to see that, not only from the gesture of making sure that Dr. Kella and his staff are happy, but also that his patients are happy. Thank you to the company for actually making it happen today and for ensuring that I actually am not just happy, but ecstatic about my new smile.